Welcome back to Savvy Serena. I have another 5-ingredient recipe for you that your family's going to love. You need pepperoni. I got the turkey kind, but you can use regular pepperoni. Ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken. I'm using ground turkey, but you could definitely use ground beef. You need a pound of that. Big jar of pasta sauce. This is the 23-ounce jar. They have little jars. You want to pick up the bigger one. Pound of pasta. It doesn't matter what it is, whatever your family likes or whatever their favorite is, just a pound of pasta. And 16 ounces, which is a pound or 4 cups of mozzarella cheese. You want to cook your pasta until the package directions, and mine is 10 to 12 minutes for my pasta. While that is cooking, you brown 1 pound of ground beef. Kind of eyeballing this next step, I'm just going to take some of this big jar and I'm going to pour it in there until my meat is coated. That might have been too much. That was about a half a jar. And I'm going to mix this all around. You want to spray your crock pot down with some cooking spray. I've been really wanting to try the liners. I just forgot to get them. Then you want to cook and drain your pasta. And then you want to add your beef and pizza sauce mixture to your pasta mixture and mix that together. You want to start by putting pizza sauce at the bottom of your crock pot. You want to add a layer of your pasta and beef mixture. You want to add a layer of cheese. Top with pepperoni. Top with pepperoni. Repeat your layers with pasta, cheese, and pepperoni again. This layer you want to top with your remaining cheese and then pepperoni on top. You want to put a lid on it and cook it 1 to 2 hours on low. Been a couple of hours and the cheese has melted and that looks absolutely amazing. So if you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Y'all come back now. You hear?